Welcome to TimelinesAI Shared Inbox. Here, you can manage your WhatsApp conversations. By default, you will see 4 tabs. All chats are conversations from all connected WhatsApp accounts. The Connected by Me tab displays all the chats from my WhatsApp number. Assigned to me are chats where you are assigned as a responsible person. Disconnected chats are conversations excluded from the synchronization with TimelinesAI. Let's select several conversations from the All Chats list and click Assign. We are selecting John. Selected conversations will now have John as a responsible person. To organize chats from different numbers or assign to different team members, click New Filter button. In this example, we will filter chats from the sales number that are assigned to John. Therefore, we are selecting our sales WhatsApp number and John as the responsible person. You can apply a number of other filters to fit your business needs. When the filter is applied, a new tab appears in the main navigation menu. Now, if you click this new tab, instead of all chats, you will see only conversations from a particular WhatsApp number and assigned to a particular team member. Let's select several conversations from John's chat list. Next, click the Label button. Here you can select an existing label or create a new one and assign that label to the conversation. In our example, we are assigning priority-related labels to let John know that those chats must be checked first. Now that we've assigned, labeled, and filtered chats, it is time to send our contacts a message. One way to send a message is using bulk replies. Open the All Chats list. Here you can select some or all chats and send a bulk reply. For example, a sales offer or a holiday notice. You can attach any file to your message. This message will now be sent to all selected WhatsApp contacts. Open any conversation from any chat list. For example, from Assigned to Me. Here you can reply to individual contact. You can include attachments and emojis. Click the New Note button to leave a note to your team member or to yourself. You can also select the message to view all available actions. For example, setting a reminder, adding to bookmarks, deleting, and commenting.